Welcome. If you guys want to see how I go from dry to moisturized, just keep on watching. So I'll be using the Tropical Moringa line, and I'm going in with that sweet oil and honey endless moisture shampoo. And I like to work on one side of my head and then switch over to the other side of my head. It just makes it a little bit easier for me to make sure the shampoo is getting through my hair strands and my scalp, because I want to clean both of them. So yes, I do push my shampoo down to the rest of my hair. But this shampoo supports natural hair growth and retention. It's moisturizing, but I would say when I rinsed it out, my hair was a little dry. And for the conditioner, I'm using the rinse out or the leave-in conditioner. Oh, look at me struggling. God bless. And this conditioner is so moisturizing. Like, oh my god, my hair felt so moisturized and soft. And now I'm just detangling my hair, and I'll be starting at the ends of my hair and working my way up. Tip for you guys if you didn't know that: start at the end so you pull less hair as possible and just take your time. So that's what my hair looks like with that conditioner in there, but I'm about to rinse it out. So I'm just want to show you guys the curls. And this is how much hair I lost detangling my hair, which that is really good because my hair was dry. So I went in with this hair mask, and I just like to section my hair off in fours and just put it in to make sure I get every hair strand. A little bit more about this mask: it is moisturizing, it locks in the moisture and nutrients, it reduces the breakage and minimizing shedding. So if you feel like that's something you guys struggle with, I would suggest everyone to check out this line. It's good for all hair porosities. So I like to cover my hair with a shower cap, and I just left that deep conditioner in for about 15 minutes. This is what my hair looks like after. Yes, girl, shake that hair, okay? And I rinsed it out, and my hair is feeling great. Now I'm gonna go in with that conditioner. Watch me struggle, okay? And I'm gonna leave it in this time. And I'm gonna show you guys what my hair looks like after the conditioner. It looks so moisturized and juicy. Oh my gosh, girl, look at that. I'll be using their glaze, the Tropical Moringa glaze. Comb my hair just to make sure I got out the tangles and stuff. Oh, my hair is still really wet, but that tingles, so I don't be wanting to like twist it that much because it is like a slimy, so but as you can see, it's like a slimy consistency. You see that? Ew. Okay, so you want to make sure your hair is detangled. I'm gonna get that in my mouth. Hold on. Okay. So I decided to switch up and do the Braidout. Y'all know I'm a wash and go lover, but I decided to switch it up for you guys. And I had already applied the gel, so now I'm just braiding my hair. And all the extra products that you see on my braids will soak in to my hair. Braids are a good protective style. You can wear them like they're like really versatile. I usually keep them in for a couple weeks, but in this video you guys see me take them out. And I'm just gonna twist the bottom of my hair to make a little curl. But if your hair does not stay that way, you can use a rubber band. So I just wanted to tell you guys a little bit more information about this glaze that I use. It gives amazing definition and a flexible hold. It restores and locks in long-lasting moisture, which that's what we need. And it also minimizes frizz, which is good too. It reduces breakage and minimizes shedding. Say that a little does go a long way. You don't want to be heavy-handed with this gel because you will deal with crunchiness and your hair will feel oily too and like sticky. So a little does go a long way with this gel. So another thing, if you have problems laying down your roots, make sure you add the product onto your roots as well, and make sure that you detangle so they can lay down. And with your ends too, make sure you apply product to your ends, not just like the middle shaft of your hair. Make sure you're applying it everywhere. Okay guys, so I'm done with my hair. This is what it looks like. As you can see, it is so moisturizing. Like, look at that. I'm gonna show you guys the back. Now, do not come for me, because like I said, I do not do parts. So if it's looking kind of crazy, do not judge me. Yeah, it's been like 2 days. I kept them in just to make sure my hair was dry. So let me get up close so you guys see the definition. Okay, like look at this. Can't tell me it don't look nice. Okay guys, so I'm gonna take some random oil. It's the Do Grow Mega Thick Formula hair oil, and I'm gonna spill it on my shirt. Now I'm gonna take a little bit in my hands just because I don't want to cause frizz taking these braids out, because they just look so good. Just gonna take it in, put my hair up. I think I'll start at the back. And let's get unraveling. Some of them curled up, none of them unraveled, but we just want to be careful. We don't want to cause frizz. So I do want to say all my hair is the same length, but I still have heat damage in the front, like my ends. So they don't really curl at the bottom, and they tend to be longer than the rest of my hair, but that's okay. I'm still working on it. And I'm just taking them out the way my hair is, like the way your braid is, that's the way you want to take it out. So it causes less frizz. You don't want to manipulate it. However it's braided is how it's going to come out. This is what it looks like. I'm sorry guys, I'm just a little happy because my braidouts usually do not turn out good. And look at this, it looks so good and juicy and moisturized. Alright guys, I finished taking out all of them. This is the final results. Also, if I had a pick, I would pick my hair, but I forgot it. I'm just showing you guys what my hair looks like from each angle. And as you can see, they look bomb, juicy, shiny, moisturized. Like, oh my god, who did your hair, girl? But anyway, so you're gonna see this part I have in the back of my hair. If you have a pick or something, you can just pick that right on out, girl. So I didn't separate all of them, but that's the little thing you can do, which I probably will, is go back and separate some of them. Like, say if there's just a little too chunky, just separate the curls. You don't want to manipulate it. So wherever it separates, just separate it. Bomb ass braid out. Bye, guys.